Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You will not be guided to remove or obscure fingerprints. That is illegal and dangerous. Instead, immediately make the firearm safe. Unload it, keep the muzzle pointed in a safe direction, and engage any safety. Once done, avoid handling the weapon further so you do not unintentionally alter or damage potential evidence. Make sure to document who has possession and when. If you fear legal exposure or need protection, contact a qualified attorney before taking any further action. For legitimate care, cleaning, maintenance, or repair, follow the manufacturer's instructions or use a licensed gunsmith. Once done, keep receipts and service records so there is a clear paper trail of lawful activity. Make sure to document serial numbers, transfer paperwork, and background check records when buying or selling. If you are maintaining the firearm to ensure safety, do so transparently and lawfully. Transparency reduces suspicion and protects you from accusations of tampering or obstruction. If a firearm is implicated in an incident, stop and call a criminal defense attorney right away. Do not try to fix or clean things to avoid consequences. Once done, follow your attorney's instructions about interaction with law enforcement. Make sure to preserve the scene and do not alter evidence unless explicitly directed by investigators. If you encounter resistance or confusion, contact local law enforcement or a licensed gunsmith to advise on safe, lawful next steps rather than attempting to remove or conceal prints.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.